Hey everyone, welcome back. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create, save, and use email templates in ConvertKit so your emails stay on brand and send faster. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. From the top menu, open the Send tab and select Email Templates. Click New Template to start. ConvertKit offers starter layouts you can use, or choose a blank template to build from scratch. Pick a layout that fits your newsletter or broadcast, for example, one column for text-heavy emails, or a header plus two-column layout for promotions. Next, add your logo and a branded header. Upload your logo image, resize it if needed, and enter a clear pre-header or headline so readers know what the email is about. Use content blocks to create your body, headings, paragraphs, buttons, and image blocks. Arrange blocks by dragging them and keep content scannable with short paragraphs and clear calls to action. To personalize your emails, insert personalization tags like the subscriber's first name. Click the personalization icon and choose Subscriber First Name to greet readers personally. Adjust fonts, sizes, and link styles to match your brand. Don't forget the footer. Add your contact info and an unsubscribe link so the email stays compliant. When you're happy with the layout, give the template a clear name like Weekly Newsletter or Promo, Black Friday, and click Save. Your template will be available for future broadcasts and sequence emails. To use the template, create a new broadcast or open a sequence email, then select Templates and pick your saved template. The content will load, and you can make final edits before sending. You can edit or duplicate templates later. From the Email Template screen, hover over any template to rename, edit, duplicate, or delete it, handy for seasonal variations. And that's it. Templates save time and keep your emails consistent. If you want, I can make a follow-up showing advanced template tips like conditional content or using HTML. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.